Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we're taking a look at this indoor dryer vent that I got from Lowe's. So with this white bucket, you also have one of these metal tubes that you can see that I had attached one right here, and also these rings that you would normally put right here. But I found that when I try to put this on, this would tend to slip off of this white bucket. And so what I did was I pushed multiple layers down and got it to stick. And so you can see that I can move it back and forth without it falling off. And so I hope this helps you guys to understand how this indoor dryer vent works and how to attach it to your white bucket. It's not just one layer, you have to push multiple layers down, and so you sort of have to use your nails on your finger to sort of force it down so that it sticks to this bucket. For me, I didn't have to use any of these rings because when I pushed multiple layers down, it just stuck on there on its own. So for me, I didn't have to use the rings, but if you feel that you need to use the rings, feel free to do so. But for me, I didn't need to need to use the rings. So I hope this helps you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.